इंजिनियर्स डे भावानो मनयतात. चडशे आमी सगळे इंजिनियरांक गोंयचे आसात, गोंयच्या वतीन मनोवप जाता. आनी खुशी भोगता म्हाका तुमकां संबोधीत करता आसतना आयज आमचे मदीं आतांच आमचें उलोवप करून केल्ले म्हजे मित्र प्रवीण झाटे जे हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचे आमचे कॉर्पोरेशन चेअरमॅन आसात, जे आमी जशी वळख करताना म्हणलें की बरी भाजी फ्लावर सगळे आसता ती त्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां बरी सामकी ताजी मेळटा. टोटल जरी हांव एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर आसा खरो, पूण भाजी सगळी ताकद हेंचेडे आसा. ह्या युगाक खऱ्या खातीर इंजिनियरांची खरी गरज आसा. आयज मेक इन इंडिया आमची प्रायम मिनिस्टर म्हणटात, आनी जे मेक इन इंडिया जे स्वप्न आसा हे घडयतली जाल्यार सुद्दां इंजिनियरांचो रोल हो सामको म्हत्वाचो आसा. पण खंयच्याच बाबतींत इंजिनियर म्हणजे नसाळ घातले अशें कांय नसता. तेन्ना हे सगळेच हे तुमी एका परस एक लोक आसात एकठांय जावन हे घडयतात, बरें दिसता. प्रत्येक मनीस आपल्या फिल्डांत आमी पळयतात आयज राजकारणा भितर कलियुगा भितर म्हणटा अशें कोणाकच अशें टायम नसता. प्रत्येक मनीस जो आसता तो कसलोय जावं, मागीर इंजिनियर जावं की बाकीचे आनी खंयचो जावं, फक्त आपली तरक्की करपाचें बोवाळ आसता की फुडें फुडें वचपाक. कोणाक अशें सोशल एकठांय जावप, एकठांय आपल्या हितून कितें रावप, कसले असले एक्टिविटीज इनवॉल्व जावन करप वा टायम दिवप असो सगळ्यांक शक्य जायना. प्रत्येक मनीस अनेक मनीस अशी चिंतपी आसतात की हांगा बसून टायम घालपा वयलो तो आपल्या धंद्या भितर आपूण बसतलो आनी धंदो आनी वाडयतलो अशेंच चलना चडशें. पूण तातूंत भितर तुमी हे सगळें हें दवरून इतली व्यस्त आसतना सुद्दां ह्या कार्यक्रमाक म्हत्व दितात. आयज इंजिनियर डे मनोवपाक तुमी सदस्य नात्यान किंवा आपलेच हे नात्यान आयज तुमी येतात, इतलो टायम येतालो आसा. हांव दिलगिरी व्यक्त करता. पयलीं
I have been in Panjim city from 1982 onwards. I have seen the so-called development and overall expansion of the city. We are very fortunate that Goa is a very beautiful state to stay in. You have warm people here. You have a nice, beautiful scenic environment. What we need to plan is, fortunately our Deputy Chief Minister is also the Minister for Town Planning. If this country and this state has to go forward, we need to plan for the future, which as Mr. Swayam Chaudhary was mentioning, the smart city project as such. What we need to plan is for the future. You engineers are the best people to do that. And one must appreciate the fact that now that smart city project which Panjim is going to be, such kind of a project should be all over Goa.
Of Institution of Engineers India, Goa State Center, I welcome you all for this 52nd Engineers Day celebration. I welcome our guest of honor, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister for Town and Country Planning, Sri Tapu Kolekar. I am thankful to him as on short notice he accepted our invitation. I also like to welcome our special invitee, MLA of my constituency, Sri Praveen Jante, and our keynote speaker, Sri Swayam Chaudhary, CEO of Panjim Smart City, to be with us. Welcome, sir. The engineering community across India celebrates Engineers Day on 15th September every year as a tribute to the greatest Indian engineer, Bharat Ratna, Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was born on 15th September 1861. He went on to become India's most prolific civil engineer, dam builder, economist, statesman, and can be counted among the last century's foremost nation builder. He was the chief engineer responsible for the construction of Krishnarajasagar Dam in Mysore, as well as chief designer of the flood protection system for the city of Hyderabad. The dams built by him are still functional even today, a testimony to his brilliance. Due to his outstanding contribution to the society, Government of India conferred Bharat Ratna to this legend in the year 1955.